Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase some hand poured silver bars that I asked Backyard Bullion to make me. Now for those of you that are subscribed to my channel, you might have seen I did a community post a couple of days ago showcasing these bars as they were kind of in progress of being made, so you already know what they are. Let's get straight into them. They both come with these nice little pouches. I'm really excited to kind of see how these look and feel in the hand. Wow, look at that. So these are an official 365 Days of Silver channel bar. They're 1 troy ounce. They've got hallmarks on them. There's only 2 been made. This is one of 2. 2022. Really, really nice pieces of silver. And like I said, I've got 2 of them made. So that's the first one there. And as you can see, it's the same again. 365 Days of Silver, 1 troy ounce with the hallmarks. And this is 2 of 2. So really, really cool personalized pieces of silver. Now, the reason I've got these made is I wanted to kind of give back to my subscribers. And I always post videos when I hit landmarks amounts of subs. So when I hit my last landmark subs was 400, and I always like to do videos thanking everyone for their support and for kind of helping me grow. And I wanted to kind of find a way of giving back to my subscribers. So I thought, what better way to give back to subscribers of a silver stacking channel than to actually give away some silver. So like I said, I've got 2 of these made. They're both, let's put them the right way around. They're both 1 ounce of silver. They're both hallmarked. Like I said, there's only 2 of them been made. This is all I requested him to make for the channel bar for this channel. So there's not going to be any more of these made. And I just wanted to kind of give back to the community to say thank you very much for everyone's support. And how I'm going to do this is I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to pick who wins one of these. But I know that I'm going to give one away when I hit the 500 subscriber mark, and then when I hit 1,000 subscribers I'll give away the second one. So let me know in the comment section below which way you think will be the fairest way for me to give away these bars. I don't want to do what some people do and say share this video to 10 people, put it on your Instagram and comment 10 times, like it, all that sort of stuff. I don't want to do all that because I don't want this to kind of just be a video that kind of blows up just because I've asked everyone to share it and like it and all the rest of it. I really want to give these to people that have actually been helping my channel grow from the start, not just people that are jumping on board to try and get a free 1 ounce bar. So let me know the fairest way that you think I could give these away in the comment section below. I'll be interested to hear your way of doing it. And like I said, I want it to go to someone that's actually been behind this channel from the beginning, helped it grow, and yeah, I just want it to kind of give something back, really. So let me know what you think about these bars. I think they look absolutely amazing. I want to say thank you very much again, Backyard Bullion, for making these bars for me. Really, really pleased with how they've turned out. They just look amazing. Really nice bits of silver. I like how they're quite sort of slim and they're still nice and chunky. Look at that. I really like hand poured silver. Every bit of hand poured silver is completely different. So they've almost got their own kind of fingerprints, if you like. They're all kind of, you're never going to get a hand poured bar that's the same. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for all the support and I hope you have a nice day.